good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. It's a triple-header Sunday matchup at pangungunahan niya ng University of Nueva Cáceres, the Greyhounds, versus the NAGA College Foundation, the Tigers. I'm Karen K. Iscaro and with me is Rick Puerta at kami po ang makakasama throughout this game.
Yes, Kay, and we are live here at the NCF covered court and also live on our Bucal Facebook page. So stay tuned because it's an exciting matchup between these two undefeated team, the most awaited matchup in this league.
At Rick, pag-usapan natin ang dalawang kupunan na magkaharap ngayon. So first is the UNC, the Greyhounds. Sabi nila magpo-focus sila sa Black Kings. And sa Tigers naman, Rick?
So dito sa ating Tigers, ang adjustment nila and ang focus in this game is their mental stability inside the court. So sabi daw ng coach nila, don't be complacent. So parehas ito kay dalawang kupunan na ito na wala pang talo. So since this is the first time they are meeting in this league, they are very excited to meet with each other. And syempre, dito natin malalaman kung sino ba ang magiging on top of the lead.
At napapansin natin, Rick, dito sa ating mga live audience, dito sa NCF Covered Court, medyo dumadami na yung mga supporters ng ating mga teams. And with that, i-discuss natin yung first six ng magkabilang kupunan. Sa Greyhounds, we have Castillo, Maige, Estrella, Bermido, Alamo, Belga, at Antonio.
Yes, Kay, I'm so excited kung ano ba ang inihanda nitong UNC Greyhounds. Meanwhile, on the other hand, we have jersey number 5, Owarde, jersey number 3, Belgica, number 2, Cebuyo, number 16, Janicio, number 12, Estacion, 11, Palmero, and their libero, Nero. So I'm so excited, Kay, dito sa magaganap na matchup na ito because again, it's the matchup between these two undefeated teams on the league. So dito masusukat kung sino ba talaga ang magiging nasa unahan na itong Bucal na ito.
And honestly, Rick, ako hindi ko na maitago yung excitement na nararamdaman ko ngayon kasi gustong-gusto ko nang malaman kung sino nga talaga ba ang aangat sa dalawang teams this day.
Yes, Kay, and you know what? This is just the beginning or the opening game in this triple-header Sunday matchup. So I'm sure everyone is excited. So stay tuned because in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang matchup na ito.
At ngayon, Rick, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga minamahal na sponsors. NAGA College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabby Bordado, 3rd District Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangcox Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, the LMR Psychomanic Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services.
Thank you so much for your overwhelming support. So, Kay, in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang set number 1. So dito sa Tigers, nakikita natin na they are very consistent when it comes on the attacking department. Meanwhile, on this UNC Greyhounds, I'm sure they are prepared kasi you know what, ang kalaban nila is the defending champion. So a little bit pressure on their side, but again, it's a matchup between them, those undefeated teams. So I'm sure they are showcasing now their talents.
And with that, Rick, gusto nating makaalam ng update all the way from the bench of Greyhounds. Let's call our courtside reporter, Val. Hello, Val. Anong update natin dyan?
Good afternoon sa lahat ng nanonood at nakatutak, and especially to our live viewers dito sa Bucal Season 4, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Sa pagsisimula ng unang laro ngayong hapon ay masasaksihan natin ang unang laban na mabibigat na kupunan. Yan ang NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds. This is Valerie Kaylita, your courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the Greyhounds for Bucal Season 4 Volleyball Men. The Greyhounds are back after the second win this season against Wolves, and now this must be one of the most awaited elimination match for volleyball men dahil revelasyon ito ng last undefeated team standing. Dahil dyan, mas pinagigihan ng Greyhounds ang kanilang paghahanda for this match. Ayon nga kay Coach Mark Jefferson Pahe, mas sinutukan nila ang kanilang blockings and defense dahil isa ito sa kanilang naging lapses last game. Dagdag pa niya, ay mentally and physically prepared ang Greyhounds. Walang bababa, yan naman ang mantra ng team captain na si Vincent Castillo. Sumuko na lahat, ngunit siya o ang team ay hindi bababa. Now, who will be the last undefeated team standing? Will it be the Greyhounds or the Tigers? We'll see about that, so just keep on tuning in only here on Bucal Season 4 Volleyball Men. Back to you, Teen and Rick.
Thank you so much, Val, for that very informative update. At narinig nga natin, Rick, na ang Greyhounds are very prepared in terms of physical and mental.
Yes, Kay, and kumpiyansa nga dito ang kanilang team captain and also the coaching staff ng UNC Greyhounds, and let's see kung ano ba ang ipapakita nila ngayong matchup na ito. Meanwhile, on the other hand, let's hear an update all the way from the bench.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung Rick. So back to the ball game tayo. Ang talaan natin ngayon, ang Tigers ay 4 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 2.
Yes, kaya very hot start from our defending champion. Abantes dito sila ng dalawa.
Now serving Maige for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Up by Sibuyo, Owarde. Soft touch, nice read by the UNC Greyhounds. Chance to counter, rejection.
Buhay na buhay pa ang bola.
And point will be given on the side of Greyhounds, and off the block hit.
At ngayon, Rick, balikan na natin ang
Courtside reporter natin all the way from the bench of the Tigers, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Hi, Kay and Rick, at sa lahat na nakatutok sa atin live at CNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Kyla Casulia, your courtside reporter all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. Handang-handa na nga ang lahat sa unang pagtatapat ng UNC Greyhounds at NCF Tigers. At kanina nga, rinig na natin ang kantang Eye of the Tiger. It means that the NCF Tigers is ready to fight against the UNC Greyhounds. Kanina nga ay nakapanayam ko si Coach Ian, at ayon sa kanya, isa sa adjustment nila ay ang kanilang mentality. He always remind his players na huwag maging complacent sa lahat ng game. Dagdag pa niya, paulit-ulit ang kanyang reminder sa kanyang players to set their own tempo at sa ang kanilang mantra for this game, and as the home of the champion, they shall never fail. Makuha kaya ng NCF Tigers ang kanilang pangatlong panalo for this season? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Kay and Rick.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So, napakinggan nga natin dito na sila ang defending champion at papatunayan nila na sila ang may hawak ng title na ito. So, back to the ball game tayo, Kay.
Antonio is now serving for Greyhounds.
Straight to the net, so automatically the point will be awarded on the side of the Tigers.
Sa ating talaan, ang Tigers ay 7 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 4.
Now serving jersey number 11, Palmero. Too strong for that serve.
Kaya ang puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds. Now serving Alamo for Greyhounds.
So palitan ng puntos dito, Kay, ang nasasaksihan natin sa loob
Oo.
ng NCF covered court.
Hindi nagkakalayo ang puntos ng dalawang
Yes,
teams.
Kay. Nice coverage. An attack. And through the block from Castillo. And with that last sequence, isa na lamang ang abante ng Tigers.
Lalong umiinit ang labanan dito sa ating NCF covered court.
Yes, Kay, and I'm sure everyone is excited to watch this game.
That's right.
On the last sequence, nakita natin ang strong, powerful hit coming from Cebuyo.
Bumawi agad.
Yes, Kay. So sabi ko nga kanina, palitan ng mga strong
Oo.
attacks, ng great defense on the net and floor defense. So back to the ball game. Now serving Belgica.
Nice,
Nice
serve.
serve. Up by Estrella. Castillo and nice dig up by Nero. Chance to counter back.
Buhay pa
The
ang
ball is
bola.
still alive. Back row hit from Junicio. Nice coverage. And with that, last sequence, nakakuha dito ng lucky point ang UNC Greyhounds.
Ang saya ng
and
mga
I can hear
fans.
the crowds cheering and supporting their own school.
Castillo is now serving for Greyhounds.
A chance to tie up this game.
Taking his time to serve.
Nice
Nice
serve
serve.
up by Junicio. And a free ball coming from Belgica. Chance to counter on the UNC side. A free ball. Back-to-back free ball tayo dito, okay? And a nice swipe coming from the side of the Tigers. Courtesy on jersey number 12, Estacion.
Dalawa na ang lamang ng Tigers kontra Greyhounds at this moment.
Yes, Kay. And Kay, let's not forget to acknowledge our live FV viewers na talaga namang nakatutok dito sa ating Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Thank you so much. Shout out kay
salamat
Algin
po.
Adayo watching from Salvacion. Thank you for the support. So back to the ball game tayo, okay? Up by Estrella. Let's see. 1-2 play. Nice read by the UNC. And too strong for that swipe.
Kaya
So the
napunta ang
point.
puntos sa Tigers.
Yes, Kay. On the service line, ready to serve. Jersey number 2, Cebuyo. Taking his time for his serve. A strong
Nice
serve.
serve.
Nice up. Estrella. And again, an outside.
Regalong puntos ay mapupunta sa ating Tigers.
And with that last sequence, mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang ating Greyhounds. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at NCF Covered Court. Sa ating talaan ng Tigers ay 11 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 7. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
Again, a strong serve, poor first ball. Chance ball. A chance to attack. And the point will be given on the side of Greyhound. With that, Jaws. Nanalo dito ang setter na si Estrella kontra sa mataas na player na si Palmero.
That's right.
Estacion rather.
Bermido is now serving for Greyhounds.
Nice serve up by Ero, Owarde. Belgica, nice read by the UNC. Chance to counter back through the block. And a little bit of stare down coming from the attacker of the UNC.
Mukhang humahabol yung Greyhounds today, ah.
So nakita natin ang stare down doon ni Maige. And that's to boost his confidence in this matchup.
That's right. Now serving Bermido for Greyhounds.
Cebuyo,
Nice serve.
over receive. Chance to counter back on the UNC side. A swipe. Up by Nero. And nice anticipation on the net coming from the UNC Greyhounds. And with that, isa na lamang dito ang abante ng ating Tigers.
Now serving again, Bermido for Greyhounds. Taking his time to serve.
Up
Nice
by
serve.
Cebuyo, Owarde. And hindi bibigyan dito ng check ball ang ating Tigers. And with that, we are all tied up, 11 all.
Mas nagiging exciting ang labanan na to, Rick. Ayaw
Yes,
magpatalo
Kay.
ng dalawang kupunan. Kasi nga, di ba, undefeated sila pareho.
Yes, they are eager to win this one. For them to be on the top of the leaderboard.
That's right.
And in the last sequence, we witness a service error coming from UNC Greyhounds. Now on the service line, ready to serve, jersey number 12, Estacion.
Taking his time to serve. Too
But
strong.
it was outside. So we are witnessing here small errors na talaga namang
Dapat
ayaw
iwasan.
ng both teams.
Yes. Australia is now serving for Greyhounds.
Floater serve and a back-to-back error coming from both teams.
Nagbibigayan ng puntos ang dalawang kupunan.
Yeah, and on the service line, ready to serve, jersey number 5, Owarde. Nice serve,
serve.
up by Castillo, Estrella. And it was not over, so point will be given on the side of the Tigers. Abante dito ng dalawa ang ating defending champion.
That's right, Rick.
Again, serving Owarde.
Nice serve.
Castillo, Estrella doing his best, but Antonio didn't make it. So, a 2-point straight.
Sunod-sunod ang ginagawang puntos ng Tigers ngayon.
Yes, Kay, because they are running away from these Greyhounds because they want to end this first set with a bang. Nice dig by Cebuyo. Belgica. A nice anticipation but poor execution. Nakita niyang walang tao doon pero napalakas ang
Tama
kanyang
yun.
tulak doon sa bola. So point will be awarded on the side of the Greyhounds.
Maige is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Up by Belgica. Janicio. And point is awarded on the side of Tigers with that net violation committed by the Greyhounds. Serving Janicio.
Nice serve.
Estrella. The ball is still alive. Palmero. Nice one. Castillo. And with that, last sequence, net violation ang itatawag dito sa side ng ating Tigers. So point is given on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now serving Antonio for Greyhounds.
Taking his time. Up by Nero. Owarde. Nice block! Coming from Bermido. Nabasa doon ang opensa dito ng Tigers. And
Isa
with
na
that,
lamang ang
isa na
lamang.
lamang dito ang abante ng ating Tigers.
Again, now serving Antonio for Greyhounds.
Taking his time. Nice serve. Nero. Owarde, Belgica with an attack and it catches the line.
Palitan ng puntos ang nangyayari ngayon.
On the deck, ready to serve, jersey number 11, Palmero.
Taking his time.
Ano kaya? Kanino kaya ang point? Powerful serve, and with that, over-receive, regalo ang paras sa Tigers. Again, now serving jersey number 11, Palmero. Another
Nice
great serve. And point will be given on the side of Greyhounds, activating the middle blocker, Bermido.
Now serving Alamo for Greyhounds.
Floating serve, Junicio, Owarde, Cebuyo with a cross-court hit, and it was successfully done. Now serving Belgica.
Pasalamatan natin, Rick, ang ating mga FB Live viewers. Maraming salamat po. Maraming ating mga nanonood. Shout out kay Menchi Iscaro. Thank you po for watching. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
So a strong cross-court hit coming from Castillo. And we are witnessing here a double substitution on the side of the Tigers.
Now serving Castillo for Greyhounds. Taking his time.
Double substitution here on the side of our Tigers. Let's see kung ano ba ang gustong chemistry nitong ating coaching staff ng Tigers. So back to the ball game tayo. And a service ace coming from Castillo.
Sa ating talaan ng Tigers ay 19 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 18.
So meron ding ditong double substitution on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
May mga bagong plano.
Yes, Kay, and let's see.
Castillo is now serving for Greyhounds.
Nice floating serve. Janicio, Mendoza. And a rejection on the net coming from the side of the Greyhounds.
Tayo na sila, Rick, parehas ng 19.
And with that, 19 all ang ating talaan. And ibabalik dito ang starting lineup ng Tigers.
Castillo is now serving again for Greyhounds.
Very exciting matchup. So nakikita natin na tie na naman dito, Kay.
That's
Ang
right.
ating dalawang kupunan, wala talagang bumibitaw at walang gustong magpatalo. Cebuyo, Owarde, and a great attack coming from Estacion.
A wise move coming from him.
A power tip coming from him. Now serving Cebuyo.
Powerful serve.
Nice up. And a great cross-court hit coming from Pili.
At yun nga, naghahabulan na naman ng puntos. At tie na naman sila ngayon, 20 all. Super exciting talaga ng matchup na ito. Bermido is now serving for Greyhounds.
So nakita natin na every points ng ating Greyhounds. Nakikita natin ang celebration.
Oo. Napaka-energetic ng kanilang mga fans.
An error committed by Janicio. And with that, the Greyhound is up by 1 and mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang ating defending champion. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Fast break left. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
We are back live here at NCF Covered Court sa ating talaan ng Tiger Sites 20 at ang Greyhound sa Manites 21. Back to the ball game tayo.
A beautiful drop by Janicio. Nakita doon ang donut hole on the side of the Greyhounds. And with that, we are all tied up with a 21 all. Now serving jersey number 12, Estacion.
Nice serve.
Up by Castillo. And a great quick hit coming from Greyhounds. Abante dito ng isa ang ating Greyhounds. And again, we have a substitution. Ibabalik dito ang first 6 on the side of the Greyhounds to make sure na mako-close nila ang first set na ito.
Pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba ang NCF Tigers na maungusan sila ng Greyhounds. Estrella is now serving for Greyhounds.
Up
Nice
by
serve.
Janicio. Owarde with a 1-2 play. And it was successfully done. 22 all.
Nahabol ulit ng NCF Tigers.
A very tight and
Yes.
exciting first set. And remember, Kay, this is the first set pa
Oo.
lamang. And
At
we are
pinapakitaan
excited.
tayo ng napakagandang laro ng
We
dalawang
are
koponan na
excited
ito.
kung saan ba tayo dadali ng dalawang
Yes.
teams na ito. Serving Owarde. Estrella. And a nice coverage. Free ball ang ibibigay. Chance to counter back.
Buhay pa ang bola.
And a monster block coming from the side of the Tigers. And we are hearing the loudest cheer
Yes.
coming from the Tigers side.
Hindi rin nagpapatalo ang mga fans ng Tigers, no? Tinatapat na nila yung fans ng Greyhounds.
Yes, Kay, because again, they are the undefeated.
Yeah.
This too is the undefeated team. So we want an exciting match. Award is now serving.
Nice serve.
At hindi rin nagpapaw lang UNC
Pinapatay.
Greyhounds with that quick hit. So nakikita natin dito na very activated ang middle attacker ng UNC Greyhounds at hindi ito nababantayan ng ating Tigers.
That's right. Maige is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time to serve.
Up
Nice
by
serve.
Nero. Chance to counter back. And with that, The UNC Greyhounds is on set point.
Mas lalong lumakas yung cheers ng mga Greyhound fans.
Yes.
Maige is now serving for Greyhounds. Super exciting talaga, Rick, ang labanan na ito. Taking his time.
Nice serve.
Nice serve.
Cebuyo. Huwarde. Janicio with a powerful combination attack. And with
Habol
that, we are extending this set number 1. 24 all. Ayaw bumitaw talaga
Ayaw pa.
ng both
What?
teams na ito.
That's right.
Now serving Janicio. Nice
serve.
up. Australia. And again, UNC Greyhounds is up by 1 and they are on set point.
Antonio is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice
Nero.
serve.
And with that, makukuha ng ating Greyhounds ang first set na ito, 26-24. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating set number 2.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Mabuhay! My name is Karen K. Escaro, 21 from NAGA College Foundation, your commentator for Bucal Season 4. I'm a third-year communications student and I love to be part of big events because it expands my experience. Although it's my first time to be commentator, I'll assure you guys na magiging updated kayo inside and outside the court. Again, it's me, Kay. Magsama-sama tayo at magkita-kita sa pinaka-inaabangang paghaharap ng mga galing na athletes from universities and colleges dito sa Bicol. See you there!
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at NCF Covered Court. At yun nga, nakuha na ng Greyhounds ang first set pero napakadikit na laban ang ginawa nila.
Yes, K, 26-24 and let's see kung babawi ba dito ang ating defending champion or patuloy na aarangkada ang ating UNC Greyhounds. For the meantime, we need an update all the way from the bench of the Tigers. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kayla. Hi Kayla, anong update natin dyan?
Kay and Rick, huwag panghinaan ng loob at magpatuloy lang, yan ang reminders ni Coach Ian sa kanyang mga players. Hindi man nila nasungkit ang first set, patuloy naman silang pinapaalahan na magpatuloy lamang dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. Ayon pa kay Coach Ian, kailangan nilang magkaintindihan sa loob ng court para maiwasan ang miscommunication. Dagdag pa niya, kailangan nilang kumalma at pairalin ang kanilang tempo. Kailangan ding bawasan ng error para makabawi sa susunod na set. Makabawi pa kaya ang Tigers sa set 2? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Rick and Kay.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So napakinggan nga natin, Kay, na wag daw mawala ng kumpiyansa ang ating NCF Tigers because they have the heart of the champion. So dito sa ating set number 2, gagawin daw nila ang lahat para mabawi ang set na ito.
Back to the ball game tayo, Rick. 1-1 na ang dalawang kupunan.
Now serving a Janicio. Nice pancake save. And payong from the net defense of the Tigers.
Napakagandang move.
Again on the service line, ready to serve, Janicio. And outside. Service error.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds. Maige is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time. Nice serve. At this moment, Rick, gusto nating makalam ng update all the way from the bench of Greyhounds. Let's call our courtside reporter, Val. Hello, Val. Anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Kay, unang set pa lang ay mainit na labanan na ang ipinakita ng dalawang kupunan at nakuha nga ng Greyhounds ang unang set ng laro laban sa Tigers. Kaya naman magandang simula ito para sa kanilang team. Sinabayan pa ng mga cheers na kanilang supporters. Ayon pa kay Coach Pahe, ipagpapatuloy lang nila ang magandang nasimulan, pati na ang kanilang blockings at mas pag-iigihan pa sa mga susunod na sets. Magpatuloy kaya ang panalong ito ng Greyhounds? Alamin natin yan kaya't manatiling nakatutok. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kay.
Thank you so much, Val, for that update. At narinig nga natin na ipagpapatuloy lang nila yung ginawa nila para makuha ulit ang set na ito. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
Belgica with an attack. And off the block hit coming from him. So abanti dito ng isa ang ating Tigers.
Naghahabulan lamang ng puntos ang dalawang kupunan na ito.
Now serving Belgica. And it was outside. So point will be given on the side of the Greyhounds.
Parang sunod-sunod na errors ang nakukomit ng Tigers, Rick, at kailangan nilang i-minimize.
Yes, Kay.
Alamo is now serving for Greyhounds.
Junicio, Uwarde. And an attack error coming from Estacion. Too much spice on that hit. So abanti dito ng isa ang ating Greyhounds.
Now serving Alamo for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Junicio, Uwarde. Back row hit from Belgica. Nice reaction by the UNC Greyhounds.
Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Still playable though. Junicio, Uwarde. Palmero with a soft touch.
Long rally
nice
ulit, Rick.
recovery. A long rally here. And through the block. Coming from Bermido. And with that, lamang dito ng dalawa ang Greyhounds.
Now serving again, Alamo for Greyhounds. Taking his time to serve. Nice serve.
Junicio, Uwarde. Cebuyo is returned to the center, but the ball is still alive.
Playable.
Credit that on the Dig of Nero. But this time, a 2-point straight coming from the side of the Greyhounds.
Sunod-sunod ang puntos na ginagawa ng Greyhounds. At tuwang-tuwa ang kanilang mga fans dito, Rick, sa NCF covered court. Now serving again, Alamo for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Junicio. Warde 1-2 play. Nice read by Castillo. And again, a back-to-back point coming from Castillo. And with that, mapapatawag ng early timeout dito ang kupunan ng ating Tigers. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We're back live here at NCF Covered Court. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick. Sa ating talaan ng Tigers ay 5 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 8.
And the last sequence, a powerful cross-court hit coming from Cebuyo.
Now serving.
Cebuyo.
Nice serve.
Nice serve. Nice reaction by Nero o Warde.
Junicio.
But it was outside.
Regalong puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds. 4 na ang abante ng Greyhounds kontra Tigers. Pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba ang Tigers na makuha ng Greyhounds ulit ang set na ito. Castillo is now serving for Greyhounds.
Taking his time for his serve. And it was straight to the net.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Tigers.
A lucky break there for the Tigers. Now serving, Estacion.
Taking his time. Nice serve. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Junicio again.
With a down-the-line hit coming from Junicio. Bumawi siya from that attack error kanina. Now, serving jersey number 12, Estacion.
Taking his time. Nice serve.
Estrella, Maige, nice dig. Regalo, but it was. The ball is still alive. Junicio with an attack.
Long rally.
Chance to counter for them. And the double contact was called on Estrella. And with that, isa na lamang dito ang abante ng Greyhounds.
Unti-unting humahabol ang Tigers kontra Greyhounds. Now serving.
Estacion.
Nice serve.
Nice serve. And it was a service ace. So we are all tied up, 9-all, at mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng ating Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball only here at GYN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We're back live here at NCF Covered Court at may nagpapa-shoutout sa atin. Shoutout kay Danica Marie Dumalasa and kay Maria Carmela Ortiz and kay Jules Castillo. Thank you so much po sa panonood. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick. Now serving Bermido for Greyhounds.
Taking his time for his serve. Up by Junicio. Warder. And a great swipe by Palmero.
And with that, 10-all na ang dalawang kupunan at this moment.
Now serving jersey number 5, Uwarde. Estrella. And it was not over. The point will be automatically given on the side of the
Abante
Tigers.
na ng isa ang Tigers.
Yes, medyo mababaki dun sa
Oo.
last sequence na yon ang set dito ni Estrella. So hindi nagawa ng paraan ng middle blocker.
Now serving.
Uwarde. Two points straight coming from the Tigers.
At lumalakas yung cheers ng mga fans ng ating Tigers here sa NCF Covered Court.
And a substitution here on the side of our Greyhounds. Uwarde.
Nice serve.
Estrella with a 1-2 play. Nice reaction by Nero. Junicio with an attack. The ball is still alive and it was outside. So 3-point lead here on the Tigers.
Abante na ng tatlo ang Tigers ngayon kontra Greyhounds.
Yes, Kay. On the service line, ready to serve. Uwarde. Up by Castillo, Estrella, pababawiin. But it was read by the blocker. Back row hit by Castillo and it was outside.
Too strong.
Too strong on that attack.
Sunod-sunod ang puntos na nagagawa ngayon ng Tigers.
Yes, Kay. Let's see kung ano ba ang magiging response ng ating Greyhounds.
Kaya dapat talagang pagkatutukan ang game na ito.
Uwarde on the service line.
Nice serve.
Short serve. Set. But it was straight to the net. So again, the point will be automatically given on the side of the Tigers. They are up by 5. So as we can see, we are seeing an attack error on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Sunod-sunod ito, and it was painful for them because the Tigers is slowly going away on their score. Back row hit from Castillo. Dig. Nice dig, nice reaction. Again, the ball is still alive. A chance for Maiga to counter back, but it was deflected by Belgica, a monster block. And with that, mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at NCF Covered Court. Sa ating talaan ng Tigers ay 16 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 10. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
On the service line, ready to serve, Owarde. Over receive, chance to counter back. Cebuyo on that back row, but it was outside. So point will be given on the side of the Greyhounds. So nice time out there on the coaching staff of the Greyhounds. And with that, nakakuha ng puntos dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now serving Estrella for Greyhounds.
It catches the line. A lucky service ace coming from Estrella. And with that, 2 points straight coming from the UNC Greyhounds.
Again, now serving Estrella for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Warde.
Junisho.
But nice pick up by the libero of the Greyhounds. Chance to counter back.
Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Let's see. It was outside, so point will be given on the side of Tigers. Too much angle for Maige.
Now serving
Junisho. It was outside.
puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds. Maige is now serving for Greyhounds.
Taking his time.
Nice serve.
Warde, Cebuyo with and down the line hit. Nakita doon na walang tao sa zone 1. And with that, abanti dito ng 5 ang ating Tigers.
Super exciting talaga ng game na to, Rick. Madami tayong FB Live viewers at madami rin tayong live audience dito sa NCF Covered Court. Kaya thank you so much po.
Yes, and back to the ball game tayo. Now serving jersey number 11, Palmero.
Nice serve.
Nice pick up, chance to counter back. The ball is still alive. Belgica. Estrella to Alamo. Pero bantay sarado.
Ni Sibuyo. Kaya puntos ay mapupunta sa Tigers. Sunod-sunod ang puntos na nagagawa ng Tigers pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba ang Greyhounds.
Serving again, Palmero. And it was
Too strong.
outside. Too strong for that serve.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds.
So 5 lang dito ang abante ng ating Tigers. And let's see kung mahahabol ba ito ng Greyhounds.
Antonio is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time. Nice serve.
Junicio, Owarde. But the ball is still alive.
Yes.
Nice anticipation and nice coverage on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. But at this time, hindi nila nakuha ang bolang yon, courtesy of Estacion for that quick hit.
5 na lamang ay makukuha na ng Tigers ang set number 2. Pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba ang Greyhounds.
Yes.
Now serving.
Belgica. And an error coming from him. A substitution on the side of the Greyhounds. Let's see, ibabalik dito. Yung second 6 ng UNC Greyhounds.
Fulgentes is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time. Nice
Junicio. Belgica. Junicio with an attack. Nice coverage by Castillo. Really? And it was not over. So point will be given the side of the Tigers. So 4 points na lamang kay at makukuha na ng Tigers dito ang pangalawang set. And let's see kung papayag ba dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds since they have the first set.
That's right. Kaya talagang dapat panoorin ang game na to.
Yes, Kay, and a costly error coming from Sibuyo with that service.
Kaya ang puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds. Sa ating talaan, Tigers 21 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 16. Castillo is now serving for Greyhounds.
Taking his time for his serve. Nero,
Nice serve.
Owarde. And with that strong hit, Estacion 3 points away from getting this set number 2.
Mas nagiging intense ang laban dito.
Yes, Kay. And we have a substitution here on the side of the Tigers. Barredo is in. Barredo is in and Estacion is out. Let's see kung ano ba ang inihanda dito ng coaching staff ng Tigers. Serving, Barredo. And it was a service ace. Lucky point coming from him. A great substitution coming from Coach Bon.
Nakapuntos agad.
Yes, Kay. 2 points away from getting the set number 2. And let's see for the UNC Greyhounds if they want to bounce back
And now serving.
build their momentum. Nice up by Castillo. Estrella with a one-hand set. And Maiga is denied on the net. And with that, the Tigers is on set point.
Super exciting. Now serving.
A crucial error here committed by the Greyhounds. They need to minimize this. An outside service error.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds. Now serving. Bermido for Greyhounds. Taking his time. Nice serve.
Nero, Owarde with a 1-2 play. Nice read by Bernido, Maige, and a net violation called on the Tigers. And with that, 2 points straight ang makukuha dito ng ating Greyhounds.
Mukhang humahabol ang Greyhounds
Yes,
ngayon.
Kay. Hindi nila ito ibibigay ng madali
Oo.
sa ating Tigers.
Bermido is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice.
Nice serve. And it was a service ace. And with that, 3 straight points coming from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Sumahabol dito kay ang ating Greyhounds. 2 set point save by
Parang
them.
Sinabi lang hindi sila papayag na makuha ng Tigers ang set number 2.
Yes, Kay, they want to build their
Yeah.
momentum until the end.
Bermido is now serving.
And it was outside at this point. So this is the end of the set number 2. 25-18 ang ating talaan. Panalo dito ang Tigers. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating exciting third set.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Hello everyone, my name is Rick I. Puerta, 21 years old from NAGA College Foundation. I really love watching volleyball games. When I was in my high school days, I was a former athlete, a volleyball player, and I think it motivates me to become part of this growing Bucal family. Expect that I will make every game more exciting and more fun. I encourage you all to watch the Bucal Season 4. Sama-sama nating tuklasin kung gaano kagaling ang mga atleta ng Bicol.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at NCF Covered Court.
Yes, kaya't nakuha nga ng ating Tigers ang set number 2 with a score of 25-19. And let's see dito sa ating pangatlong set kung sino ba ang makakakuha at makakaabante ng isa pang set.
Super exciting ang game na to at gusto nating makaalam ng update all the way from the bench of Greyhounds. Ano nga ba ang adjustments na gagawin nila? Let's call our courtside reporter Val. Hello Val, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Kay, hindi nga nakuha ng Greyhounds ang second set, ngunit dahil sa nakuha nilang first set ay hindi ito dahilan para panghinaan sila ng loob dahil hindi malayo na matatalo pa nila ang Tigers. Ay nga kay Coach Pahe, may mga susunod pang sets kaya tatagan lamang nila ang kanilang loob at focus lang and maging confident sa kanilang laro. Mabawi pa kaya ng Greyhounds ang kanilang panalo this third set? Yan muna sa ngayon. For now, back to you, Rick and Kay.
Thank you so much for that update, Val. At nga, narinig nga natin na kumpiyansa pa rin ng Greyhounds kasi nga naman, nakuha rin nila ang set number 1. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
Serving Estrella, Nero, Owarde, Janisha with a powerful hit. And with that, 1 all tayo dito sa ating talaan.
Now serving.
Now serving Owarte.
Nice serve.
Castillo, Estrella, Tumaige, a soft touch, nice dig. The ball is still alive. Chance to counter on this UNC Greyhounds.
Long rally here.
Owarde, Belgica for the attack. Nice coverage by Castillo. Up by Estrella. And we are witnessing here a long rally, and the rally ends with a powerful hit coming from the UNC Greyhounds.
Maige is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time to serve.
It was outside.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa ating Tigers.
A lucky point from the Tigers, and kailangan natin makarinig ng update kung ano ba ang nangyari doon sa last set na yon. All the way from the bench of the Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Kay and Rick. Tunay nga na hindi pa tapos ang laban at nakabawi nga ang ating defending champion dahil nakuha nila ang set 2 sa score na 25-19. Pinakinggan nga ng Tigers lahat ng paalala ni Coach Ian. Hindi man nila nakuha ang first set, hindi naman sila pinanghinaan ng loob at talagang bumawi sila sa set 2. Patuloy naman ang paalala ni Coach Ian na huwag maging complacent hanggang hindi pa tapos ang laban. Kailangan pa ding bawasan ang service error para tuloy-tuloy ang momentum. Makuha kaya ng Tigers ang set 3? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Kay and Rick.
Thank you so much for that update, Kyla. So napakinggan na nga natin na gustong bawasan or i-minimize ng ating Tigers ang kanilang error. Kasi dito sila ginagawa ng advantage ng kanilang kalaban na UNC Greyhounds. And
That's
with that
right,
last
Rick.
sequence nga, nakita natin na back row error na naman ang ginawa ng ating Tigers. So abanti dito ng isa ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Alamo is now serving for Greyhounds.
Up
Nice
by
serve.
Janicio Owarde, Cebuyo with a tip and a lucky point coming from him. Coming from that broken play na gawa ng paraan dito ni Cebuyo na magkaroon ng points.
Habulan ng puntos ang dalawang koponan.
And again, we are all tied up. It's 4-all. Now serving Belgica. But it was outside.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds.
So again, we are seeing here na hindi nalilimitahan ng Tigers ang kanilang errors. Kung kaya't naman, tuwang-tuwa dito ang side ng Greyhounds for that free point coming from their opponent.
That's right. Castillo is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Junicio, Owarde, nice rejection, but the ball is still alive. Back row by Belgica. Nice coverage on the side of UNC. Chance to counter back. Belgica with the one.
And with that, ang puntos ay mapupunta sa Tigers. 5-all ang dalawang koponan.
Coming from that violation, crossing. 5-all tayo ngayon. On the service line, ready to serve, we have Cebuyo.
Taking his time. Nice serve.
Up by Estrella.
Too strong.
Too strong for that attack. And with that, abanti dito ng isa ang ating Tigers. Siyempre, we would like to acknowledge our FB Live viewers na talaga mang nakatutok dito all throughout this game. Shout out kay Harvey Conchina. Go NCF daw coming from him. And thank you so much for your support.
Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
For that last sequence, nakita natin ang rejection on the net coming from the Tigers. And with that, abanti dito ng dalawa ang defending champion.
Sunod-sunod ang puntos na ginagawa ng Tigers.
And let's see kung ano ba ang iba-bounce back dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Nice serve.
Estrella, Castillo with an attack error coming from the back row. And with that, mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball, only here at GYN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon, magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at NCF Covered Court sa ating talaan ng Tigers ay 8 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 5. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
It was not over. And a back-to-back error coming from the attack of the UNC Greyhounds. Nakikita natin dito na very crucial magkaroon ng error on the side of the Greyhounds because the momentum is on the side of the Tigers.
Now serving.
Cebuyo. Substitution on the side of Greyhound. Taking his time for his serve. And a service ace committed by Cebuyo.
Abanti na ng 5 ang Tigers kontra Greyhounds.
And nakikita natin dito, Kay, na talaga namang kargado ang mga service dito ng kupunan ng Tigers.
That's right.
They don't want to lose anymore. And on
Hindi
the side of
papayag.
UNC Greyhound, they need to have a great communication inside the court for them para makapuntos dito sa larong ito. Soft touch, great anticipation. Gabriel
Junicio
Junicio for the attack, but it was deflected. Again,
Junicio
one
again.
more time. And a great drop hit coming from Junicio. Nakita niyo doon na walang tao on the side of the
Grab
Greyhounds.
yung opportunity. Now serving Cebuyo for Tigers.
So we can see here the variations of the attacks coming from the Tigers. Merong strong attack, merong drop ball, may swipe and anything.
Halatang pinaghandaan nila ang laban na ito.
And on the side of UNC naman, binabalik nila at hinahanap nila ang kanilang rhythm na ginawa nila on the first set kung paano nila natalo dito ang Tigers. So let's see kung ano ba ang papakita ng dalawang team na ito. Regala, but the ball is still alive. Again, free ball. And again, an attack error committed by the Greyhounds. Nakikita natin dito na talaga namang ang error ng Greyhounds ang nagpapahirap sa kanila na matapatan itong Tigers na ito. It's quite upsetting for the side of the Greyhounds because they are giving or allowing free points on their opponent na talaga namang minamaximize dito ng ating defending champion na Tigers.
Pero malayo-layo pa naman, Rick, at pwedeng-pwede pa silang humabol.
Yes, and with that nga, on the service error, nagkaroon ng free point dito ang ating Greyhounds. 7-12 ang ating talaan.
Estrella is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time.
Nice serve.
Serve.
Up by Nero, Owarde. Nice rejection on the net. But somebody touches the net on the side of the Greyhounds. So the point will automatically go on the side of the Tigers. So the Tigers is slowly going away on the scoreboard here.
Hindi papayag ang Tigers na maungusan ng Greyhounds. Pero titingnan natin.
Owarde is now serving.
Nice
Castillo, Estrella, combination play, and it was effective. A powerful hit coming from Alamo. Nakita mo doon kung paano nag-elevate at nakapuntos dito si Alamo. May giggle factor doon because coming from that last sequence, nakita natin na naka-points siya.
Rile is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Owarde, a powerful tip, but the ball is still alive. Point.
Estrella.
But too low for Castillo. A costly error for the team captain of Greyhounds. You cannot afford to have any more errors here, Kay, because it's very crucial. Nakikita natin na abante dito ang ating Tigers serving Janicio.
Nice serve.
Alamo on the attack. And it was good. So nakikita natin na si Alamo is very much activated on the side of Greyhounds.
Bumabawi.
Yes, Kay, and I'm sure hindi siya papayag na ganito na lang matatapos ang set na ito or ang play na ito.
Antonio is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Janicio, Owarde.
The ball is still
Nice
alive.
reaction by the UNC Greyhounds, but the ball is still alive. Cebuyo with a hit, but the ball is still alive again. Chance to counter
Castillo.
back. Castillo.
Too
But it
strong.
was outside. Walang itatawag dito na check ball. So again,
Nagkakaroon ng
the point
discussion.
will be given on the side of Tigers on the service line ready to serve Palmero.
Nice serve. Castillo. The ball is still alive.
Estrella to Alamo, and again, Alamo scoring and soaring on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Lima na lamang ang abante ng Tigers kontra
Yes, kaya
Greyhounds.
nakikita dito ang fighting spirit ng ating Greyhounds coming from that last sequence. Talaga namang ginagalingan na Alamo.
Pasalamatan na natin ulit ang ating mga sponsors, Camser Viaje, V-Art Gallery by NCF, Capazon Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sons, SM City NAGA, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AET Graphs and Ads, and NCF Training Pool. Maraming salamat po. Fulgentes is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time.
It was outside. So
Puntos.
free point ay ibibigay sa ating Tigers. Abante dito ng 6 ang ating defending champion. Now serving Belgica.
Taking his time.
A back-to-back service error committed by both teams.
Too
So
strong.
free point and a lucky point coming from the side of the Greyhounds. 16-11 ang ating talaan. Abante dito ng 5 ang ating Tigers.
Now serving Castillo for Greyhounds. Taking his time.
Concentrating on his serve.
Nice serve.
Nero, Owarde, Cebuyo with a powerful cross-court hit. So we can see the eagerness of the attacker sa side ng Tigers. Nakikita natin dito na very much activated ang mga attackers. A variation of set, a play coming from Owarde.
Nice serve.
A great dig coming from Belgica. But it was outside. Meanwhile, on Cebuyo. A lucky break there on the side of our Greyhounds.
Bermido is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time. Nice serve.
Cebuyo, Uwarde, to the middle!
Sa ating talaan, ang Tigers ay 18 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 12.
A substitution on the side of our Tigers. Estacion is out and Barredo is in. On the service line, Barredo.
Nice serve.
Chance to counter back. Again. Really committing an attack error. A substitution then on the side of our UNC Greyhounds. Rilas out and Maigas in. Again on the service line, ready to serve, Barredo. Too strong for that serve.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds.
Again, a double substitution here on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Entering on the court is their first 6. Let's see kung makakabawi ba dito ang ating Greyhounds.
Estrella is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time. Nice serve.
Cebuyo, Uwarde, and a back quick coming from Palmero.
What a nice move. 5 na lamang ay makukuha na ng Tigers ang set na ito, pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba dito ang Greyhounds.
Yes, we are on the 20-point mark, a very crucial part of the game. So UNC should minimize their error for them to prolong this game. Now serving, Uwarde. Castillo, Estrella for the setup. Alamo for the attack.
The
But
ball is
nice
still
dig
alive.
up.
Junicio,
And an attack error committed by Genicio.
too strong for that.
And with
Puntos
that,
ay napunta sa Greyhounds.
a lucky point coming from Greyhounds. Maigas now serving.
Nice
Nero,
serve.
Uwarde,
Belgica.
combination play, and it was successfully done by Belgica. The connection kay nakikita natin dito between the setter and the attacker of the Tigers. Mapa-middle, mapa-opposite, mapa-open hitter. They're all very much activated.
That's right.
Alamo. And a nice attack off the block hit coming from Alamo. Talagang si Alamo ang nagiging silver lining on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ayaw niyang magpahula at magpatalo dito sa ating Tigers.
At kailangan tapatan yan ng Tigers.
Siyempre, it's true because the ball is round and hindi pa tapos ang play na ito.
Tama
So
yun.
they need to bounce back stronger and build their momentum on the next set.
Antonio is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Uwarde. And an attack error committed by the Tigers. So with that, nakakuha ng 3 points ang ating Greyhounds.
Antonio is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Nero Uwarde. Nice reaction by the UNC Greyhound. Chance to counter back. Uwarde.
The
Setting
ball is still
Belgica.
alive.
Back row hit by
Junicio.
Junicio. And nice recovery coming from the UNC Greyhounds. We have
Long rally
long
here.
rally here. Again, the ball is still alive. Alamo with an attack. And it was outside.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Tigers. Sa ating talaan, Tigers ay 22 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 16.
Kaya nakikita natin dito na 3 points away from getting this set number 3 ang ating defending champion. Kailangan talaga dito mag-work hard ang ating Greyhounds para naman makadikit dito.
Nice serve.
Nice. Back row hit from Junicio and it was an attack error. So
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhound.
22-17 ang ating talaan ngayon.
Alamo is now serving for Greyhounds. Hello po kay Nico Perez. Thank you so much for watching. Back to the ball game tayo.
A powerful combination play coming from the side of the Tigers.
Dalawa na lamang makukuha na ng Tigers ang set na ito.
I really love how the setter of this Tiger, tiningnan niya muna kung asan ba ang blocker ng UNC at nagkaroon ng magandang play. And it was successfully done. And dito naman, sa ating last sequence, nakita natin na nagkaroon ng service ace coming from the side of Tigers. And with that, nasa set point na ang ating Tigers. 24-17.
Nagkakaroon ng discussion here sa NCF covered court.
Substitution on the side of the Tigers.
Now serving.
Now serving. Jersey number 17, Alianza. Powerful. And with that last sequence, an attack error committed by the UNC. Nakuha nga ang set number 3 ng ating Tigers. 25-17 ang ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating set number 4. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
I am Kyla M. Casulia, 21 years old from NAGA College Foundation, a third-year student taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication. I will be a courtside reporter that's coming Bucal Season 4. I do not have experience in volleyball, but I am playing lawn tennis. You can expect that I will give you an updates that are concise yet relevant. Sabay-sabay nating tuklasin at alamin ang magagaling na manlalaro sa Bicol. See you there!
Fast break layup. It's good.
We're back live here at NCF Covered Court at nakuha na nga ng Tigers ang third set.
So we are live here at the NCF Covered Court for our set number 4. Mako-close na ba ng ating Tigers ang larong ito or makukuha ba ng UNC Greyhounds ang isa pang set to extend this match on the 5th thrilling set?
And with that, gusto nating makaalam ng update or any adjustments all the way from the bench of Greyhounds. Let's call our courtside reporter Val. Hello Val, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Kay, hindi nga para sa Greyhounds ang third set, kaya naman hindi nila ito nasungkit. Walang sawang suporta pa rin ang ipinapakita ng kanilang panig, kung kaya't buo pa rin ang kanilang loob. dito ng Greyhounds na muling sasabak para sa susunod na set. Paalala lang ni Coach Pahe na pag-igihan pa nila ang depensa. Ibigay lamang nila ang best nila. Pati na rin i-showcase ang kanilang talents and skills. Di pa tapos ang laban. Yan naman ang patuloy na sinasabi ng players upang palakasin ang loob ng isa't isa. Muli pa kayang makuha ng Greyhounds ang susunod na set? We'll see about that. For now, just keep on tuning in. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kay.
Thank you so much, Val, for that update. At yun nga, narinig natin, napapalakasin pa ng ng Greyhounds sa kanilang depensa. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
So sa ating talaan, abanti dito ng isa ang ating Greyhounds. Now serving, Junicio.
Nice serve.
And a service ace coming from Junicio.
Mukhang bumabawi si Junicio.
2-all tayo sa ating talaan. Now serving again, jersey number 16, Junicio. But it was outside, so point will be automatically go on the side of our Greyhounds.
Now serving, Maige for Greyhounds.
Nice serve.
Nice serve.
Owarde. The ball is still alive. And a free point ang ibibigay ng Tigers dito sa atin. And abanti dito ng dalawa ang ating Greyhounds. And kailangan nating makahingi ng update all the way from the bench of our Tigers. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla.
Thank you, Kay and Rick. Patuloy nga ang pag-arangkada ng NCF Tigers dahil nasungkit nila ulit ang set 3 sa score na 25. Tunay ngang bumabawi ang Tigers dahil tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang magagandang depensa kontra Greyhounds. Patuloy naman ang paalala ni Coach Ian na huwag maging complacent para tuloy-tuloy ang momentum. Dagdag pa niya, kailangan na mas pag-igihan ng Tigers ang set na ito para makuha na nila ang kanilang pangatlong panalo. Tuloy-tuloy na kaya ang momentum sa ating Tigers? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Kay and Rick.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So napakinggan nga natin, Kay, na talaga namang tatapusin na daw ito ng Tigers. They want to remain undefeated on this league. And back to the ball game tayo from that last sequence. Service error ang ibibigay ng ating Tigers. And with that, abanti dito ng dalawa ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Bermido is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Junicio, Owarde,
Cebuyo.
but nice dig.
Alamo.
Chance to counter back by Alamo, but the ball is still alive. The ball is still alive. Owarde, Belgica with an attack. And a miscommunication. Nagkatitigan doon si Maige at si Bermido. So with that, isa na lamang dito ang abante ng ating UNC Greyhounds. On the service line or ready to serve, we have Belgica. Taking his time for his serve.
Nice serve.
Nice. The ball is still alive. Set by jersey number 11 to the team captain. Rejection, but the ball is still alive. Chance to counter back. Alamo with an attack.
Cebuyo
with an attack.
Buhay pa rin
But
ang
the ball
bola,
is
Rick.
still alive.
Castillo.
And it was not over. So point will be awarded on the side of our Tigers. And
Nahabol na nga ng Tigers ang Greyhounds.
yes, Kay, we're all tied up. 5-all. Again, serving Belgica.
Nice serve.
Up by Fulgentes. And a miss hit committed by the Greyhounds. And with that, lamang na dito ang Tigers. Again, on the service line, ready to serve, we have Belgica.
Nice serve.
Fulgentes.
Alamo.
with an attack, rejection, but the ball is still alive. Chance to counter back. And nalunod again doon sa set na iyon. Sunod-sunod na error ang ibinibigay ng ating Greyhounds ngayon. Kaya naman patuloy na lumalamang dito ang Tigers. They are up by 2.
Now serving.
Belgica.
Taking his time.
Jump serve again.
Nice serve.
Nice up by the libero, set by Fulgentes. Castillo with a fake attack, but the ball is still alive. Sibuyo
Sibuyo.
on the attack. Nice save. A free ball ang ibibigay
Castillo.
ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Chance for the NCF to score. And yes! Successfully
Sibuyo.
done. A strong hit coming from Sibuyo. Tatlo na dito ang kalamangan ng Tigers.
Titingnan natin kung babawi ba dito ang Greyhounds.
Na substitution on the side of the Greyhounds. Ibabalik dito ang kanilang main setter na si Estrella. So, kailangan mabuhay dito ng UNC if they want to have a fifth and final decision set.
That's right. Nice serve.
Estrella to Castillo.
Castillo.
Nice dig by Nero. Chance again.
Castillo again.
But again, straight to the net. And with that, mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng ating UNC Greyhound. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here in NCF Covered Court. Sa ating talaan ng Tigers ay 9 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 5. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick.
Estrella. And the ball is red. Nice reflection. And a net violation was called on the side of the Tigers. A lucky point there on the side of Greyhounds.
Lumalakas yung cheers ng fans ng Greyhounds dito sa NCF Covered Court.
They should support their school and their
That's
teammates for them to have the courage to win this set.
Alamo is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Cebuyo awarded with a 1-2 play. Nice reaction by the team captain Castillo.
Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Buhay pa rin ang bola. Estrella. And a beautiful attack coming from the side of the Greyhounds. Courtesy on that quick hit from Antonio.
Unti-unting umahabol ang Greyhounds.
Yes, kaya't dalawa na lamang dito ang abante ng ating Tigers. A beautiful timeout and substitution on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Alamo is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Junicio. Castillo with an attack error again and again. And with that, a substitution on the side of the Greyhounds.
Pito na ang abante ng Tigers kontra Greyhounds.
So it's sad to know nga Kay, na nagkakaroon dito ng maraming errors ang UNC where in fact they need to make a point para makahabol dito sa ating Tigers.
Back to the ball game.
Uwarde. Janisha with a powerful tip.
But the ball is
But
still
a nice
alive.
reaction coming from the UNC Grey, and the ball is still alive. Chance for the NCF to score.
A long rally here.
Back row from Maige. And it didn't cross the net.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Tigers.
Now, serving jersey number 2, Cebuyo.
Good serve.
Alamo with a receive, Estrella with a setup, and Maige with a back row. But nice reaction coming from
Janisho.
Janisho. And with that, makakakuha siya ng points. Nakita natin doon na target niya ang cross-court hit. And it was successfully done. Again, serving jersey number 2, Cebuyo.
Taking his time.
It was straight to the net.
Regalong puntos.
So a lucky point coming from the Greyhounds. Ibabalik dito kay ang kanilang numero 1 point maker na si Castillo.
Castillo is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time.
Nice
Nice
serve
serve.
up by Nero. Owarde.
Janisho.
And an error on the part of Owarde.
Unti-unting umahabol dito, Rick, ang Greyhounds.
Yes, Kay.
Castillo is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time.
Nice serve.
Nice serve.
But it was outside though. So point will be automatically awarded on the side of the Tigers.
Salamat po ulit sa ating mga FB Live viewers. Maraming salamat po. Hello po kay Carla May Calleja at Christina Valenzuela. Thank you so much for watching. Back to the ball game.
And a service error committed by Estacion.
Tatlo na lamang ang abante ng Tigers kontra Greyhounds. Now serving Antonio for Greyhounds. Taking his time.
Outside.
Regalong puntos ay
So
mapupunta
palitan
sa
dito
Tigers.
ng error K na kailangang limitahan
I-minimize.
ng both teams.
Kung gusto nilang makuha ang game na ito. Now serving.
Owarde.
Service error.
Again, nagpapaulan dito ng error ang both teams.
Now serving Estrella for Greyhounds. Taking his time to serve. Nice serve.
Owarde combination
Janisho.
play. Janisho! Nakakuha ng puntos dito ang ating Tigers. Now serving Janisho.
Nice serve.
Estrella combination play. And it was outside. Too strong on that quick hit.
Sunod-sunod ang puntos na ginagawa ngayon ng Tigers.
At yun nga, mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ni Coach Pahe. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
are back live here at NCF Covered Court sa ating talaan ng Tigers ay 16 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 11. Back to the ball game tayo, Rick. Ang Greyhounds na ngayon ay 12.
Service error committed by Junicio. And now serving, Maige.
Taking his time. Nice serve.
Junicio, Owarde, combination play
Belgica.
to Belgica and through the block. Powerful hit coming from Belgica.
Now serving, Palmero for Tigers. Powerful
Strong
serve.
serve. Alamo on the attack. And check ball. And the point will be given on the side of Greyhounds.
Bermido is now ready to serve. Taking his time. Nice serve.
Warde, Suway strong, Estacion, breaks down the wall. So nakita natin doon ang giggle factor sa side ng Tigers. They want to end it.
Talagang gusto nilang i-defend ang kanilang title.
Yes, Kay?
Nice serve.
And a violation called on the setter of the Greyhounds. Double touches. Now serving Belgica.
Nice serve. And again,
And a monster
puntos.
block coming from Mr. Sean.
Puntos
One
na
man
napunta
block.
sa Tigers.
Ang ipinakita dito sa kupunan ng Tigers. Grabe talaga ang depensa sa net ng ating defending champion.
Ginagalingan.
So they are on the 20-point mark. Now serving Belgica.
Taking his time. Nice serve.
Cebuyo with the attack. But nice recovery chance for the UNC Greyhounds.
The ball is still
Score a
alive.
point. Cebuyo.
Cebuyo.
And it was outside.
Puntos.
So point will be given on the side of the Greyhounds.
Unti-unting umahabol ang Greyhounds.
Yes, Kay, they should if they want a fifth set.
Alamo is now serving for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Junicio. Owarde with a 1-2 play. But it was straight to the net. So point will be given on the side of Greyhounds. 5 na lamang dito ang hahabulin ng Greyhounds.
Again, now serving Alamo for Greyhounds. Nice
Junicio.
serve.
Owarde.
Cebuyo.
Cebuyo. The ball is still alive. Chance for the UNC. And point for Ampongan. A nice quick hit.
4 na lamang ang lamang ng Tigers kontra Greyhounds. And again, Alamo is now serving for Greyhounds. Taking his time. Nice serve.
Cebuyo, Owarde. To Belgica. The ball is still alive. Estrella. The free ball ang ibibigay dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Owarde. Back row
Junicio.
for Junicio. And it was outside.
Kaya ang puntos ay mapupunta sa Greyhounds at unti-unti nang inahabol ng Greyhounds ang Tigers at this moment.
3 na lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Tigers at napapakinggan nga natin ang ingay dito sa side ng UNC because kaunti na
Tuwang-tuwa
lang.
yung fans.
Yes, kaunti na lamang at mahabol na dito ang Tigers. Rejection. Again, Belgica. Barredo with an attack. Nice chance for the UNC. But this time,
Puntos ay napunta sa Tigers sa ating talaan.
hindi naging maganda yung connection between Ampongan and Estrella on the side of the Greyhounds. That's why Ang Tigers ay 3 points away for getting this game.
Si Buyo is now serving for Tigers. Nice serve.
Estrella, Castillo with
Castillo.
an attack. Up by Bucal. Awarded to Barredo.
The ball is still alive.
Again.
But the point will be given to Tigers. Dalawa na lamang ay makukuha na ng Tigers ang game na ito. Pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba ang Greyhounds. Now serving again, si Buyo.
Nice up. Estrella to Castillo with an attack error. And with that, they send the Tigers on the match point.
Tuwang-tuwa ang fans ng ating mga Tigers.
Substitution on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Fulgentes is in and Estrella is out.
At may nagpapa-shoutout dito. Hello kay Mila Ampongan. Hello daw UNC. Back to the ball game tayo. Si Buyo is now serving for Tigers. Nice serve.
Fulgentes.
Castillo.
Rejection but the ball is still alive. Back row attack for
Alamo.
Alamo. Chance to counter for the NCF Tigers.
The ball is still alive.
Fulgentes. And with that attack error, the Tigers win this game with a score of 25-16. And wag kayong aalis because sa ating pagbabalik, makikilala natin sa ating courtside reporter kung sino ba ang ating best player of the game. This is Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Only here at GYMNASIUM Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Rick Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw sa game na ito, and our best player of the game is brought to you by the NCF College of Arts and Sciences, the only communication course that has digital TV station as laboratory in Bicol region. So our best player of the game is jersey number 3 with 14 points, 10 attacks, 1 service ace, and 3 blocks. He is none other than Marjon Belica. Hi Marjon, kumusta ka? Anong nararamdaman mo sa pangatlong panalo ng NCF Tigers?
Nakakatuwa po, masyadong na-excite at kinakabahan sa mga susunod na laban.
Matanong ko lang Marjon, ano ba yung mga suot ng teammates mo na green dito? Ano ba yon? Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Share mo naman sa amin.
Si Rocky po may pakanaan nun, parang ritual sa kanila na mag-grow daw sila lalo, mga ganun na.
Yan, importante talaga na nag-grow tayo every game. And ano ba yung personal adjustments na nakatulong sa'yo para maging best player of the game ka?
Maging understanding lang sa mga lahat ng mga situation, lalo na pag nararattle, pag nahihirapan kailangan mag-adjust. At palagi lang panatiliin na maayos at okay yung mga ka-team namin.
That's right. And before mag-start ang game, ano ba yung reminder mo sa sarili mo? Or may naalala ka bang reminder ng isang tao para mas ganahan ka sa laban nyo kontra the Greyhounds?
Marami po, mga coaches ko, mga ka-team ko, family ko, tapos yung jowa ko po, na palagi pong nagsusupport sa amin at sa akin po.
Ayan, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na ang mga gusto mong batiin.
Hello po pala sa nanonood kong tatlong kaibigan at yung isa ko pong GF. Tapos, si Leonel Station daw po, tapos si Rombano.
Ayan, thank you so much, Marjon, and congratulations. Salamat sa lahat ng tumutak at nanood sa GNN Sports TV. This has been your courtside reporter, Kyla Casulia. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kay.
Thank you so much, Kyla. So nakilala nga natin kay ang ating best player of the game. Jersey number 3 with 14 points, 10 attack, 1 service ace, and 3 blocks. None other than Belgica Mark Jan. So nakita nga natin kung gaano siya nag-work hard para sa game na ito. And still, the defending champion is undefeated. So very overwhelming support ang napakinggan natin dito. At nakita sa loob ng NCF covered court na talaga namang nagbigay sa ating mga players ng lakas ng loob para maipanalo ito. Meanwhile, on the side naman ng ating UNC Greyhounds, still a good play though because they've win the first set and they will gain us at the experience for them para makabawi pa sa mga susunod na laban nila kontra dito sa ating defending champion.
Again, congratulations sa Tigers and also sa Greyhounds kasi pinakitaan talaga tayong napakagandang laro. And guys, stay tuned kasi may Game 2 and Game 3 pa tayo. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.